Did you know you can make $10,000 per month on YouTube without showing your face? It's true. Many people are quietly building faceless YouTube empires in hidden niches, banking five-figure incomes every month. Today, I'll expose 3 secret faceless YouTube niches that are making a ton of money right now. Plus, I'll show you a powerful AI tool that can help you create stunning videos in minutes, even if you have zero editing experience. So hit that like button and let's get started. Alright, the first channel that I'm going to show you is called Half as Interesting. This faceless YouTube channel is focused on interesting and unusual facts about many topics like science, history, and culture. Their videos cover a wide range of subjects related to the world around us. The channel has over 2.5 million subscribers, but does not show any faces on camera. Every month, Half as Interesting gets over 6 million views, which is around 200,000 views per day. According to stats on Social Blade, they likely earn between $1,500 to $24,000 per month. The great thing about this type of facts channel is that the videos are easy to make using stock footage and voiceovers. Now let me tell you about the next unique faceless channel, Smart Tech. This channel focuses totally on big, cool machines. Think huge equipment, modern tech, and massive agriculture machinery. Their videos showcase expensive and unusual machines doing impressive stuff. Some videos highlight super satisfying or genius machine inventions. So far, Smart Tech has over 100,000 subscribers and 210 uploaded videos. But check this out. They pull over 26 million views every month, and according to Social Blade, they likely earn between $6,700 and $107,000. Honestly, amazing earnings for the subscribers they have so far. I won't lie, I absolutely love this channel. The machine videos are so cool to watch. Starting my own similar faceless channel is now a dream of mine. Now, let's look this unique channel, Veritasium. This faceless channel explores science, math, history, and technology topics in super engaging educational videos. With only 300 videos uploaded, this YouTube channel already has over 14 million subscribers. That's a truly impressive subscriber to video ratio, and it's a testament to the quality and popularity of their content. Veritasium is raking in the views. With over 20 million views each month, they're likely earning between $5,200 and $83,300 from YouTube ad revenue alone. That's a pretty nice payday. Veritasium's video style is one of the things that makes them so unique and successful. They use animated graphics and stock footage to explain concepts in a way that is both informative and engaging. This style has helped them to reach a wide audience. After seeing these successful faceless channels, I'm inspired. Their niches are all so interesting. If you had to pick one to start yourself, which would it be? Let me know in the comments which niche appeals to you the most. I'm happy to provide my best tips for getting started in that area. Now, I'll show you how to create professional-looking videos in minutes with this new AI video maker. No video editing experience required. All you need to do is type in a text prompt, and the AI will generate a video with footage, text, and transitions. So, let me show you how. First, head over to my YouTube description and click the first link. This will take you directly to the InVideo AI Video Maker site. Once you have signed up, you will see InVideo's clean interface with a prompt box. You need to write instructions for your video in this box. However, you do not need to write a full prompt, as I have already done that for you. I have put a detailed instruction prompt in the description. Simply copy and paste the detailed prompt from the description into InVideo's prompt box. This will give the AI the information it needs to make a personalized video. Be sure to edit the prompt to include your title, voiceover, music, and length. Once you are finished, click the Generate button and the AI will make your professional video in minutes. I will fast forward so we can see the finished result. Wow! Just look at the awesome video the AI made for us in minutes. For this example, I created a video just like the Half as Interesting faceless YouTube channel. Check out the end result. You'll be amazed at what it came up with. It's like having your own professional video team.
Some of the world's most awe-inspiring landmarks. 2 such marvels that have stood the test of time are the Great Pyramid of Giza.
This AI video is next level. As a creator myself, I'm impressed by the visuals, the voiceover, and the way the topic is explained. Honestly, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. If you want to remove the watermark, access all the amazing premium features, and monetize without copyright issues, I highly recommend upgrading to the premium version of this AI. It's worth every penny. If you want to see a clear and detailed explanation of how to generate YouTube videos with this AI, watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss out on any future videos like this.